Hello students, today we are going to learn Value Education Standard 7, Lesson number 1, Eureka, Eureka. Archimedes was a Greek scientist. He lived in Syracuse nearly 200 years ago. One day, the king of that country wanted to wear a golden crown. So he gave some gold to the goldsmith and asked him to make a golden crown. After a few days, he brought the finished crown to the king. The king examined the crown and became suspicious. The king wanted to find the truth. He immediately called his court scientist Archimedes to find out the truth. Archimedes thought about the problem day and night. One day, when he was about to have his bath, he didn't notice the water in the bathtub. The water was already full to the brim, and when he slid into the water, large quantity of water was displaced out of the bathtub. After noticing this, he shouted, "Eureka, Eureka!" Eureka in Greek means a cry of joy when one finds something. Archimedes discovered that different metals of same weight have different volume. Objects put in water will displace water. The displaced water will be equal to their volume. So from this experiment, Archimedes found that the goldsmith had mixed some other metals in the crown to increase the weight. He immediately reported these findings to the king, and the goldsmith confessed his crime to the king, and he finally was sent to prison. In this lesson, we have to understand the spirit of inquiry. Spirit of inquiry can come through self-examination and self-exploration. Even Swami Vivekananda, in his lecture called Practical Vedanta, he talks about self-realization. Only with self-realization one can attain progress and development. He stressed about self-realization, and only this self-realization comes through reasoning power. That is why human beings are called rational animal. So whenever there is a problem, we have to use our thinking capacity to solve that matter. Only the thinking capacity differentiates human beings from animals. Otherwise, we will be like a clay without knowledge. So the value that we learn from this lesson is only through self-exploration and reasoning power one can attain success and one can become greater human beings. Thank you.